Welcome to Angel Specialist School International Virtual School. My name is Joy Amabeta. I'll be your instructor for today. I'm here to walk you through on how you can enroll your words on Google Classroom. So stay and let me take you through. So you go to your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and type in Google Classroom in the Google search bar. So this can be done on Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, any browser you have. Then select the first result that comes. Then you sign in with the email address that has been provided to you by your class teacher, the one that ends with @angelschool.edu.gh. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the one that ends with gmail.com. Then you input the password that has been provided to you. So as a first-time user, a pop-up screen will come for you to get started. So you would have to click on Get Started. So with this, I've already entered the class code for one classroom known as Math is Fun with Amajoy. But now I'll be joining another class by clicking on the plus sign. So this is the class code to aid me enter into another class. So it says here, ask your teacher for the class code, then enter here. So as soon as I click on join, it takes me to a new class that I'm going to join, which is People and Places. So in that class, I have some upcoming assignments. So you would want to check upcoming. It shows you the things you have to sort out within the particular deadline. So I have an upcoming thing on Tuesday and Wednesday. So I have to check it out. So the first one, heritage has been assigned. And so I want to check out my streams to see what's up there. And with that, this is like where I can communicate with my class or my teacher. So my teacher posts and then I can reply, or I can post my own thing to say hello to my friends. So this is known as the stream where all those activities take place. So that's why I see my teacher has posted a new material or a new assignment. Then the classwork is like a backpack for me. So the various topics we'll be treating and their various materials or assignments will be added there. So the various topics are heritage and Ghana. So I have different materials under it. So for the people, it's just, if I click on it, it takes me to my teachers. So I have Joy Better as my teacher. So it shows me who is there as my teacher. So I have two new assignments I have to check. And the material I would have to check too. So under this bar, I have my to-do, I have my various subjects. So I would want to be checking my to-do each and every day to see if I have any upcoming assignments in any class. So for Math this Fun, I have an assignment I would need to check, and it's due on Monday. So clicking on it takes me to the assignment. So previously I tried to submit what I have done. So I'll walk you through on how I did that. So if you have it saved on your machine, or you have it saved on your Google Drive. So if it's saved on your machine, you click on File and then you upload it. So probably it's a picture you've taken or a PDF assignment you've been asked to download or something, or maybe a Word document you've typed. You'd save it on your computer and then look for the file location. If it's a picture, you just go to the file location and then you submit. If it's in your Google Drive too, you click on My Drive and then you select the file and upload. So as soon as it's downloaded, you turn in. So it asks you to turn in, you turn in. So meaning you've submitted your assignment. So you can decide to unsubmit it in case you made a mistake. For the class comment, any other person is going to see the comment you're going to make under the assignment. So probably you want your other mate to know something in relation to the assignment, then you type it under the class comment. So you can type as much as you want and then you post. So note with this, your other colleagues are going to see it. But if you have a private thing you would want to, so maybe you've realized that all your colleagues with you can as well delete it anytime you want. But if you wanted to get to your teacher privately, then you go to the private comments and then you type in what you want to tell your teacher. Then you send. So it's gone. Your teacher will reply and any reply will be there. So I'm done with all my work for Math this month class. So let's go to people and places and see what I have to do. So upcoming, I have a quiz assignment. So this is my quiz. So where is Ghana's first capital? Who is this in this picture? So I just need to click on the correct answer, then next to see what is next. So this I need to choose the food in the picture. That's wache. And I have to describe how fufu is made. So I just get typing. So this is going to be in the form of essay. So a space is given to you to type as much as you want. And the point is up there. It shows 15 points for the correct answer. And this is a drop down. So I'll have to choose the following that I think is correct. So this, I'm done with that. So I just need to view my score. It shows you your score automatically. So I had 23 over 38. Whoa, I did good. Yeah. So this is the one I had wrong. So your teacher is going to give you the feedback on what she wanted for the correct answer choice. Okay. So when you're done, just close. Your teacher has received your submission, so you're good to go. So you can close any other SS pages that I've opened just to make sure you don't have too much tabs opened. So it shows you have turned in our heritage. So I'm done with one. Leaving just one upcoming, which is Origin of Kente. It's due on Wednesday. So I need to get that sorted. So I can add from my Google Drive or paste a link or a file or create a new document. So this one enables us to type on the screen online. So you click on it and then you type whatever you've been asked to. So probably you've been asked to write an essay about yourself. So you have a worksheet here where you can type your essay. But now I'm just typing and now it's the name of a person, animal, place, or a thing. So this sheet allows me to type anything I want to do in any format at all. So it's just like your Microsoft Word, but this is Google Docs. And anything you do here is saved to your drive. So you turn in as soon as you're done. And when you do that, your answer has been submitted. So attachment to be submitted for origin of King Day, yes, to submit. So I've turned it in. In case I realize I didn't submit everything I want to submit, I can unsubmit. When you unsubmit, it returns back to you. So you can do any correction you need to within the deadline. This is within the deadline. So you can also add drawings. So probably you've been asked to draw something. You can use Google Drawings. Click on it, and then you have a wide array of drawing tools that you can use to get creative. So there's a text box where you can type in things. So I want to draw a boy. So as soon as you're done, you can add any further thing you want to do. But this saves automatically, so you don't have any problem of Control S to save or looking for a save button. It's all saved automatically in your drive. So you can just choose to explore it, and when you're done, you close, and it comes here. So I just open it and I see here all what I did, even though I closed the tab, it's there. So I can turn it now. Good. So I'm turning in. So my assignment has been submitted. So I can send a private comment to my teacher. Then I post. So these are my classrooms. You should have more than two. For grade 5B, we have about 10 classes. So yours could be more or less. So this is my classwork. It shows all the materials I have. And all the quizzes and assignments have been assigned, both present and past. So I could go back to refer to them and add to my personal studies.